What's up, guys? It's Flipman Dan, and we are about to go garage sailing. It is January 2021, and it is a special time because right now, we're in the OfferUp studio, as you can see. I have my inventory right here behind me, as well as where I take photos. But this is going to be pretty much one of the last times that we are in here because I bought a house. That is correct. With a lot of money that I saved throughout the past couple of years, and with a huge help of my garage sailing side hustle, I have got the money to purchase a house. We're going to be filming a lot of videos, rehabbing it. Not that it's in terrible condition, but I really want to make it my own, and I'm going to take you along that journey as well. We're about to hit the streets. Let's get after it. I know there's some great deals out there, so let's get them.
Metal's cold, holy shit. Let's ride out.
All right, first sale of the day is right in our neighborhood in Tempe. So let's see what it's all about. I saw some pictures. It looked like they had some shoes. Hopefully we find some gems.
$25 for these? Are you guys selling this or no?
Yeah.
How much?
It's missing a cushion. It's like $30.
How much for the bar stools?
The bar for like $20.
Go for $20, yeah. So I'll make you an offer, but I'm not sure you'll like it. To package a couple of things.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking the fan, the vans, the bar stools, and the patio set for $40.
No, I don't think I could do that. The least that I could do on the table would be like $20, and then the bar stools can be like 15, and the vans could be 10, and then the fan probably like 6. So
Give me a package deal.
do 50.
$50 for it all?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. Alright, that's kind of poorly put together, but...
Knocked it out the park on the first sale. I approached and saw that she had some shoes. There was really only one pair that was worth my time, which was the personalized sunflower Vans that were in good shape. The other shoes their soles were shitty, not worth my time. Also, she had an oscillating retro fan, which these fans can go anywhere from $50 to $150, and it was in good shape, still oscillating. I made sure it turned on, worked perfectly. Also, she had a really kind of old, crappy patio set. They were wicker chairs, so I've never sold wicker chairs before. I'm gonna see what the market is for these. And bar stools. So she was asking for $85. I offered $40 for the whole thing. She countered at $50. I said that's fine, and packed up the car, headed back to the house now to unload, and we're all walking away happy, man. Great first sale.
How much for the wind tunnel? 60. Whole box, $20. That organizer, $20. I'd like to do a package deal of the 6-cube organizer, the Hoover, and the Nerf guns.
Okay. That's a lot for $20. I was surprised you barked at that, Derek.
Yeah, I'll make you an offer for all of it. Would you do $75 for all of it?
Sorry, I can't do 75.
$80?
I'd stick with 90. You get that whole thing $20, and then
You're gonna stick with 90 on it?
Yeah.
Would you throw in a mop and a bucket?
And that'll be fine. Yeah, sure.
Okay. There you go. Hey, thanks again, man.
Well, thank you.
Man, I walked in, first thing that caught my eye was that Nerf gun box. It said 20 bucks on it. I knew some of those Nerf guns alone went for 20 to 30 bucks, and there was like 10 of them. So I was like immediately yes on the Nerf gun box. As I was looking around the sale, there was a brand new vacuum cleaner that retails for 130 to 150 bucks. There was a shelving unit that retailed for around 40 to 50 bucks. So there was a lot of value there. And I wanted to group all the things together. He gave me a price, an all-in buy price of 100 bucks. Since the items were new, I countered at 75. And it was funny because both the mom and the son were, you know, hardline negotiators. They were telling me, oh, you're getting such a great deal. So I was like, all right, 75 bucks. They negged. They wanted, I said, well, 80, negged at that. He brought back at 90, and I said, all right, I'll do 90, but you gotta add value. So I'll take a brand new bucket and a mop because he had a bunch of cleaning supplies. Why not? He said, yeah. So I walked away, spent 90 bucks, but the one mistake I made was not realizing that the storage boxes that went along with the shelving unit weren't included. Now there are these nice cloth boxes, so I had to, after the fact, buy 3 of them for 10 bucks, but it's not a big deal. I am all in $100, and I guarantee you I'm gonna make my money back just on the Nerf guns alone. So whether I keep the vacuum, which I kind of need a new vacuum, or I sell the stuff, I'm in good shape.
$1,400 on account. This is nice, but damn, 60 bucks?
Nothing yet? You needing furniture?
Estate sales are usually out of my price range. I'm more of a garage sale guy. Here's $5. It's 50% off.
Yep.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, we need that part.
As usual with estate sales, they look better than they actually are. That was a complete waste of time. I mean, there were things in there, like a couch listed for $1,400, like a pair of like reading chairs for $500 a pop. Like, you're out of your mind. I'm sorry for the expletive, but these estate sales, man, they ask for retail price, and there's nothing you can do. I walked out with a pair of high heel shoes that for $5 that I could potentially flip for 20, but that was really the only deal. On to the next one.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. You got quite the collection of lawnmowers.
I do, yeah, and it changes all the time because I do repair them basically.
Oh, you repair them, okay.
Yeah. The electric ones are probably like 45 bucks.
Do the electric ones work the same?
Yeah, that one's that's a good one. And I've had probably 5 or 6 of those, and I've never had any problem with them.
Just hold this down. I just want to see the blade turning, if you don't mind.
Very smart though. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
You never know.
I know, yeah.
You never know. Congratulations on the house. Though.
Thanks, man.
Awesome.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, well that one, no. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
$10.
$10 for that? And then the TV mount?
$10.
$10. Would you do all the stuff for $50?
I'll take 60.
$60? Okay.
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
The less I put away, the better.
Yeah.
Super cool dude. Great garage sale. That guy, he hooked it up with a lawnmower. It seemed like he repaired lawnmowers, and I got an electric one. And I need one for my new lawn. So instead of just buying it new at Home Depot or something, I figure I get it at a garage sale, but also I'm trying to get it for free. So I'm looking out for other things to get at that garage sale. So one of them was a toolbox, bedside table, a TV mount. And hopefully I'll be able to sell all those things for at least the cost of what I bought the whole package for, which was 60 bucks, which was really a drop in the bucket, man, for all that stuff.
Morning. You guys got some freezers and fridges?
Yeah.
150.
We just don't want to move them.
Just don't want to move them. How's the couch doing?
30 bucks.
30 bucks for this thing?
It's a wine cooler, but I use it to ferment beer. I home brew, so.
Gotcha. Cool. Do you have an extension cord to plug these in? I just want to make sure they're working. Oh, okay. That does work. All right.
100 bucks.
So I'm going to do a deal for both of them.
Okay, 150?
For both?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do
Okay,
it.
let's do it.
I'll take the wine fridge as well.
Okay, 10 bucks.
10 bucks, yeah.
Sound cool?
Yep.
You just resell stuff?
I just resell stuff. You don't have the shelves in here, do you?
No, because I made it into a refrigerator.
Oh, okay. No shelves for the other one either, right?
No.
Okay.
Well, shit. On to the OfferUp studio, my friend. Whoo! Man, I got back from garage sailing at about noon, and I've spent the past 4.5 hours taking pictures, cleaning up, and listing everything. We got this freezer, which I actually had to clean up here because I scratched it, of course, in transit. This fridge and this wine fridge here. This was the big purchase of $160. Now, I would have never purchased this for $160, hindsight 2020, but I jumped on the deal because there was another buyer that was looking to get the freezer, and I kind of just blurted out their number, and we'll see. Not only did I have to fix this little scratch on the freezer here, but it was also beeping at me, and I needed to like look up how to fix that, so I literally had to pull it apart, rip out like this little knob thing on the electronic components, and put it back together. This is why appliances are kind of tricky sometimes. It's not as simple as buying furniture, where what you see is what you get. Appliances are, especially fridges with their compressors, I've had bad experiences in the past, so I don't know why I jumped on these 3 fridges, but hopefully it'll all work out soon. So let's move on to the other items. Is this smart mount universal articulating wall mount, whatever. It's just it's a wall mount, flat screens. And what's surprising about it is I got it for 10 bucks and it's literally retailing for $250. I brought my vacuum cleaner and lawnmower to my new house, so didn't even have to deal with it here, as well as the mop and the bucket. So that just went straight to the new house. I got this fan, which I had to take off this and clean up because it was in pretty bad shape, but I took it off and cleaned off all the cat hair and dust. This was unbelievable, man. This is 15 different Nerf guns. 15! So I posted it on OfferUp as like one complete set. Like, please come grab 15 guns if you can, because I don't want to ship them. But I'm going to give it a week. If nobody picks it up, I'm going to start listing the guns individually and start shipping them. But I'd rather not do that. But if I do that, I will get way more money than the package deal. But you know, that was pretty much like 20 bucks, and I'm listing it for 125. If I could get like 100 or even 80 bucks for the whole grab, I'd be stoked. There's these shoes, which my girlfriend Liz will definitely probably want or grab. That's the Liz tax for you. Boom, Liz tax. Let's head to the backyard. Let me show you. Oh, the light. These 2 pots, because I am a pot dealer, for 10 bucks. Here is our patio set after I cleaned it up. You know, it was totally dirty. I cleaned up the glass. It looks real nice. And the garden is looking great. This is what is called Swiss chard. Delicious, nutritious. This is just great lettuce. All told, we invested $360. If we could double that, that would be ideal. But you got to spend money to make money, man. I'm glad I got a lot of inventory. And if the inventory still, the majority of it is still here 2 weeks from now, we're going to have our move out garage sale. So hopefully we can get rid of all that. So stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe. And thanks again for watching Flipman Dan. I really appreciate it. Go out there and make a profit. Thanks, guys.